There's 4 practices that manipulate or change who we are. And the first one is thought. Thought will literally rewire your brain. If you choose to think positive things, your brain will rewire differently. If you choose to think negative things, your brain will rewire differently. Second thing that's going to change your brain and change you is your actions. How the actions we take will literally shape our body. In terms of our emotions are really controlled by our energy levels. The last part is consciousness, and that's basically your attention. What we focus our attention on is going to direct what our consciousness and focus goes. What's happening? Then my brain starts thinking about things. My brain starts going through that whole pattern again and again and again and again.